Extension and exemption. Government allows leeway for continued use of scandal bags. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, help us do more. Psychiatrist pleads for resources to help in domestic abuse cases.
Confused or disingenuous. Government and opposition spar over security measures.
Tension. Clarendon councillors at odds over crime in the parish.
Countdown. Ring in the new year. The police prepare to prevent a repeat of roadblock leading to airport.
And in business news, bid launched. NCB moves to take controlling stake in Guardian Holdings.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your plans for the new year?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.